In this Algebra Balance Interactive, you will solve a two-step equation. You will explore what it means to solve an equation algebraically. While keeping both sides of the equation in balance, you will use different strategies to find out its solution. Think about why a balanced scale is a metaphor for working with algebraic equations. Perform the same operation on each side as you see how the quantities change. The solution log will record each step that is performed on the pan balance. Let's get started. In this two-step equation, 3x minus 15 is on the left. We can see negative blocks along with 3 positive x blocks is equal to negative 6. In order to solve two-step equations, you need to perform the order of operations in reverse. This is working with each inverse operation. In order to remove the negative 1 block, I will use positive green blocks to create what is called a zero pair. These will disappear. A positive 1 and a negative 1 will be 0. In order to remove many blocks at the same time, I can create a pile to now remove what is left. Those can be moved at the same time, and the pile of 14 that still remains will disappear. Notice that I only have 3 x's on the left scale balance. I need to do the same thing on the right to keep my balance scale equal. Because I subtracted 15, I will also need to add 15 to the right side. Notice that the 5 red blocks that are left will disappear, but I also will be left with 9 positive green blocks. To solve for x by choosing the appropriate value to divide by, group the tiles within the grid to find the value of x. In order to work with the second step in the equation, I will use division, which is working with the order of operation in reverse. I will divide by 3, the coefficient of 3, 3x. I will create 3 groups of the x blocks to divide by 3. On the right side, to keep my balance equal, I will move my green blocks into groups of 3. To be able to solve for x. The groups I have created is to show 1x is equal to a group of 3. This is the solution to my equation. I can also check the left side of the pan balance, 3 times 3, by substituting my x for 3. 3 times 3 is 9, minus 15 would give a pile of negative 6 on the left, which would also be equivalent to negative 6 on the right.